What's going on? Michael Petty here. So, are you open to learning a simple way of creating your own cash flow online? We provide the training that helps you get consistent sales from $100 to up to $2,000 and same day commission. Plus, we're going to show you how to build a residual income with less out of pocket. So, one of the fastest ways, okay, and I'm just going to run through it real quick. You get paid traffic. This is Udemy. Okay, you get paid traffic. You pick someone, right? Find someone, you read over their, you read over their profile, find someone that looks good to you, you want to give a shot, right? You pick the amount of clicks that you want to purchase, okay? You give them your link. You see what date they're going to start on, hit checkout, and you pay them. Once you pay them within the date, either on the date or within 24 to 48 hours, you're going to start getting traffic to your lead capture page. Collect their name and email address. You want to have your lead capture page attached to an autoresponder. I like to use Aweber. Aweber allows you to email your prospects on a regular basis. Now, when you email your prospects, you want to email them value. Let them learn about you. Let them learn who you are. You don't want to constantly sell, right? Because people do business with people they know, like, and trust. So you want to connect with the individual. You want to share them up. You want them to learn about you so they can resonate with you. Because people join people they know, like, and trust. So you get traffic. To your lead capture page. After your lead capture page, they're going to go to your sales page showing their business presentation. Also, you want to set it up to where you give them a quick message and it's going to drive them back to the sales page that does the selling and the telling for you. Give them your contact information. Show them the bonuses they're going to get when they partner with you. Give away a free bonus right away. My copy and paste swap file, headlines, email swipes, social media posts, and traffic sources. And this is one of the traffic sources I share. My lead capture page, the sales page, and the copy and paste swap file were all created using the Home Business Academy, which the link is at the bottom of the sales page and is also at the very bottom of my copy and paste swap file. The Home Business Academy is in its name, the Home Business Academy. Also, in the team training we have, we show you six-figure training from an individual who makes consistent $2,000 sales over and over again. You have training on what he does, give you the answers. You're also going to get free access to MLM Recruiter on Demand, an additional course showing you how to get people to looking at your business. You partner with me in the G1000, G2000, you're going to get added to our team private chat for ongoing support and ongoing training, where we give you right now answers. Ask a question, we give you the answers in there, so you're not left alone. 40 plus people inside of this chat, including myself, including the person who does the training, and the six-figure 3 generational bonus training to help you make more sales. G1000, G2000, I'm going to get you 500 to 1,000 visitors to your link. That's going to get you a lot of leads for you to reach out to individuals looking to make money online. In the G1000, G2000, the biggest gift I can give, I put the first member in for you, because the first person and the first commission is a pass up. I'm not taking that pass up. You join anyone else, you're going to lose the first commission and the first person. Join me. I put the first member in for you, and every commission and every person will be yours. If you don't like paid traffic, another source you can use is social media. I personally like to use Facebook. The type of post that grabs attention and allow people to connect with you are value posts and lifestyle posts. This is a post of me and my wife. We actually went out to Cheddar's, stopped in the front, took a picture. We don't have the typical Saturday night, date night, or Pacific days. If me and my wife haven't done anything in a while, we'll say, hey, let's on this day, let's go and have some fun. Let's go hang out with son in school. So just me and her, we spend our quality time together. A lot of times, even when we run errands, we'll sit there and say, I ask her, you ready to go home? She'll say no, because my wife, she works from home, so she's home constantly. Me, I'm constantly away from home. So me personally, I can stay home all day long, because like I said, I'm constantly out. With her, she has to get out because she's constantly home. So there's a balance that there's a balance we have to have between that. So after we run an errand, sometimes I ask her, where do you want to go? Or she may ask me, what's next? What we going to do? Sometimes we don't think anything. We come home, or maybe on the way home, we say, oh, let's go to this place. So we do a U-turn and just go, Things we just have a very simple life. Nothing extravagant. My wife, she the type of person, she can't wear jeans and a t-shirt. If she can't go comfortable, she gotta get dressed up. She rather stay home. She like going comfortable. Dinner in the movie, juicy crab, cheddars. There's a Spanish restaurant up the street we like to go to. I like my beef nachos. Love the beef nachos. And the luxury of having Exodus Elite in the business, knowing we get to pick how we get paid. Same day commissions. You make a sale that day, your money is immediately available to you, and you can go have fun. You can take it to pay a bill. You can save it. You can invest it. Do whatever you want to. It's your money. Now, free traffic or granted traffic, it is much slower, but it's the best because people connect with you. So when they come and opt into your website from your organic traffic, even YouTube videos, Twitter posts, Instagram, Facebook, all organic marketing, they know who you are, they want your information, and they're warm leads. With paid traffic come in, they're cold leads, so you have to warm them up. And the way you do that is the same way. When you send an email, take a post that you post on Facebook, link into that post inside of your email, write a quick email, and link it to another lifestyle post in Facebook. Don't want to keep it long in this video. If you're open to learning how you can make $100 to $2,000, I'm gonna check that Facebook message. If you're open to learning how you can make $100 to $2,000 in same day instant cash, plus better residual income. Let me run over that real quick. Better residual income. The Home Business Academy is $25 a month for the funnel builder, and it pays a $20 residual income. The premium is $100 a month. So now you're paying $125 a month for the premium, but you're going to earn $100 per member per month. So think about that in most MLM companies. Most MLM companies, your auto ship going to be about $150 to $200. Your residual income, not starting the fast start, not counting the fast start, I'm talking about the residual component inside of companies. You may make $5 out of $150 to $200 auto ship. With the Home Business Academy, from $125 a month, or just simply the $25 a month for the funnel builder, you're going to make $100 per member per month for the premium and the funnel builder. For the funnel builder, for $25, you're going to make a $20 per member per month residual income. So you're spending a lot less money, but you're getting a whole lot more return in your residual income. And with Exodus Elite, there's no waiting on your money. So adding in Exodus Elite, getting paid directly same day, you don't have to wait a week, you don't have to wait 2 weeks, you don't have to wait a month in order to get your money with Exodus Elite. Same day commissions. So if you want more information and you want to see how you can get your hands on these team bonuses, click the link down in the description. Enter your name and email address. Stay tuned because you're going to enter my newsletter where I'm constantly giving out information. I send out emails on a regular basis, trying to give little tips and tricks on how you can build your business. So once again, click the link down in the description, come to this page, enter your name and email address, look over the information going to be sent to you. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.